Before you begin, remove the top cover, battery, wireless LAN module, heatsink, display panel assembly, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the DC-in connector cable for later replacement. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the DC-in connector to the base enclosure. Remove the DC-in connector from its position on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the DC-in connector into position on the base enclosure. Route the DC-in connector cable through the routing channel on the base enclosure. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the DC-in connector to the base enclosure.